such a fun and exciting surprise. This was part of a magic backstage experience that I won, and it gave me the ability to go to the Tri-Circle de Ranch. What you're seeing here no longer exists because they have completely revamped and changed the way that you can experience the horses at the wilderness campgrounds. But it was honestly such an amazing time, and it's something that you can no longer do. I believe they still offer the big trailer-like tour, but they do not obviously offer how close you can get to the horses and interact with them. Please enjoy, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know if you were ever able to experience the Tri-Circle, the ranch, and what your thoughts are.